Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make baby spinach salad, easy method. Start by rinsing 4 cups of baby spinach and spin dry immediately to remove water. Add 1 cup of mix-ins such as walnuts, feta, or sliced apple for crunch and flavor. Toss gently with 2 tablespoons of vinaigrette, season with salt and pepper, and serve chilled for best texture and freshness. Start by rinsing spinach gently and using a salad spinner to remove moisture, then pat leaves dry for crispness. Chop mix-ins like apples, nuts, or onions into similar sizes so every bite is balanced. Whisk a simple vinaigrette with 2 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon vinegar, a pinch of salt, and 1 tsp mustard for emulsification. Combine layer flavors by balancing sweet fruit, salty cheese, and acidic dressing to create a bright, satisfying salad. Toast nuts for 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat to release oils and boost crunch. Use a splash of lemon or 1 tablespoon vinegar to lift the whole dish, and adjust salt to taste. Mix gently so leaves remain intact, then plate immediately for the best texture and visual appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.